Hey, welcome to episode 116 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about preparing to pay off your debt. So you got to prepare a plan. So I already have some free budgets out there that you guys can look at and you guys can actually use. And when you guys have these budgets, you want to think about how much money you actually have in your savings, not just how much you're paying every month, but how much money you have in your savings. How much money could you possibly use as like a lump sum down payment? Because a lot of, or not even down payment, but lump sum payment. Because some of these creditors may say, hey, if you pay a lump sum, then we can go ahead and knock this off in terms of this that could be cleared, and you would not have to worry about making a payment, and we could possibly delete it from your credit report. So you have to figure out exactly how much money you have. Don't just think, oh, let me just start going through my credit reports and start paying off debt, because that is not what you guys need to do. You actually have to prepare a plan. And these next 20, 30, 40 episodes, we're going to talk about paying off debt with creditors, collectors, or whoever you may owe. We want to talk about these different payment options of actually paying off the debt. So I suggest that you guys literally, if you can't think of anything and you want to make it very simple, just get you a piece of paper. I don't care what it is. You can literally just take a plain piece of paper like this, literally, and just start listing out, okay, I owe this, and just don't care about no order. Just know, okay, I owe these different things. Look at your credit report, see what you see right there. And if you had got any letters in the mail, just list all those different debts. And then that's just prepare. Okay, this is what I owe. You know exactly what you owe. Then I want you guys, you can turn it over and you can put how much income you actually have coming in or how much money you have left in your different accounts. If you guys have money left in your accounts, or how much extra money you have after you pay your bills, you can say, okay, after I pay all my bills, I still got $1,000 available this month. I got $3,000 in my savings account, my 401k, I got this, my IRA, I got this. You can just say how much money you have. My property is worth this much and I have this much in equity. You know, you can list all your different your income there, or how much money you have left over, and you just preparing a plan. That way you know how much you owe on this side, and on this side you know how much money you have left over. And like I said too, a lot of creditors and collectors, they love lump sums. Like say if you owe $1,000, they may take $300 or $400 for that debt as a lump sum, get it out the way. And then some people, I would rather go that route, but some people will say, I don't want to do it that way, Rickita. I like to make a payment plan. Okay, good. Set up a payment plan if you want to, but don't, if you set up a payment plan, they're setting the payment plan up for that full $1,000. That's why I would like for you to know what you owe, because you can start targeting some of those debts. And in the next episodes, we're going to talk about actually going through these debts and organize them. Okay, which ones is most important? Because you may owe certain debts, and to me, you shouldn't be paying them, or it shouldn't be a priority at all to pay those debts. So we're going to go over those different things, but first, prepare a plan. Okay. These are the debts I need to target, and this is the amount of money I have coming in. You know, just make it simple like that. But like I said too, I have the free budgets that you guys can use, and the free guides where you can actually put down your different debts, and it's free. So you guys can actually go that route. But first, prepare a plan. Now, the next episodes, we're going to decide. Well, the next episode, we're going to talk about some debts. Like if you guys are deeply in debt, then I want you guys to not worry about certain debts. So we're going to talk about those debts in the next episodes. And then later on after that, we're going to talk about which ones you should pay off first. Okay. So don't just watch this video. Let's go to the next ones and figure out which ones you should just, you know, what you should do when you just deeply in debt. And then also we're going to talk about which ones you should pay off first. So I'll see you guys in those episodes. Let me know if you guys have any questions by leaving me a comment or calling me at 833 Rickita. I'll see you guys in the next episode.